Most of us wish to fall in love. We want to fall in love with someone who inspires us and makes our journey through life a lot more enjoyable. We understand how difficult it can be at times, especially when it comes to love. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll show you what makes him fall in love with someone like you. But before we continue with our video, we are requesting all of you to please subscribe to our channel, Believer. And just like you, we are believers of love and happy relationships, and our main goal is for you to build great relationships with the ones you love. Please subscribe to our channel and comment, "I am a believer of love," so we can officially welcome you to our channel. May all of you be well, especially during this time of pandemic and wherever you are in the world. We hope and pray for your safety and good health. Love may be an addicting emotion at times. We frequently cling to something that isn't suitable for us and may be gasping for some air without realizing why. As a result, a woman will be left chasing a guy, anxiously attempting to make him fall in love. There are so many various conditions when it comes to love. Therefore, whether you are single or not, we are going to break down the greatest ways to make a man fall passionately in love with you. Here are 9 proven and helpful tips to make a man fall in love with you. Number 1. Sincerity. Trying to be someone you're not is doomed to fail in some way. It's just not something you can do on a long-term basis. Typically, when you play a part, it stems from an insecurity that you may need to confront. When you begin to honor who you are and be honest with yourself, you can find power in seemingly hopeless situations. Number 2. Smile and be nice. According to some men, women don't smile very often. When women don't smile, it turns guys off and makes them feel less motivated to move ahead. Similarly, they are not pleased with the attitude. A male does not want to be with a woman for a long time if she comes out as vindictive, manipulative, or has a nasty attitude. Men desire a lady who has standards but is also enjoyable to talk to and spend time with. This suggests they want someone who is respectful and treats him the way she wants to be treated. You will attract more love by spreading loving energy. Number 3. Be honest at all times. A lot of the time, I see ladies who aren't transparent or honest about what they're seeking for. You may find yourself dating a man who doesn't put out much effort to keep you around, but this is merely because he has already had his cake and eaten it. You never set the benchmark, and you were never completely honest with him about what you were looking for. If you tell a man you want a real relationship, not something casual, and he walks away, he isn't worth it after all. However, if he sees that you are not giving in and are holding yourself to a standard, he may return. Number 4. Don't be overly accessible. It is critical to have your own life and activities. Men adore a woman who has a strong interest in something she devotes her time to. It is critical that you set this norm with a man so that he does not fall into the habit of planning things at the last minute. I know you'd rather be with him than commit to plans you already have with your girlfriends, but don't cancel plans all the time to be available for him. Sometimes saying, "No, I have plans, but can we do it tomorrow?" is the greatest option. It shows a man that you are happy with what you have going on and provides him less of an opportunity to take you for granted. Number 5. Compliment him. Men enjoy being told that they look nice, are smart, ambitious, or that they are doing a good job. Men are frequently perplexed about where a woman stands, and they want to see that you are supporting them in ways that go beyond the surface. So, complimenting him and telling him why he means so much to you is a lovely thing to do. To add a personal touch, I would offer something he has accomplished in his life. Number 6. Pay attention. So frequently, I hear that males simply want to be heard. They complain that they are always listening while the woman is always talking. When you are dating a man and want to make him fall in love with you, it is critical that you strike a mutual balance in discussion and questioning. Don't make it all about you. Be open and make him feel as if he is being heard. When you feel like you're oversharing, take a moment to pause, take a step back, and let him talk. Inquire about his life and interests. Number 7. Do things for him that don't benefit you. One of the best methods to make a man fall in love with you is to open his eyes to what you could be to him. He will appreciate the attractiveness of a lady who does things for him that have no personal value to her. When you have interactions with this individual, pay attention to the things that are important to him and consider how you may incorporate these things into your gestures. Thoughtful gestures and going out of your way to assist him can have a great impact. It demonstrates your concern for him while also strengthening your partnership. Number 8. Trustworthiness. Show him that you can be trusted by speaking favorably about others and not disclosing everything about your best friend. You don't want him to start wondering about all the things you tell your best friend about him.